Number 19, y equals 6x plus 18. One of the equations in a system of two linear equations is given. The system has no solution. Which equation could be the second equation in the system? Right, so y equals 6x plus 18. This is a line. It has a y-intercept up here around 18. That's what that 18 there means. And that 6 means it has a very steep positive. Oh, that was really bad. Very steep. I can't draw this freehand, not on a computer screen with a stylus. I just can't. I know my strengths do not lie there. But it's a very steep little line that's supposed to be straight that goes through 18. So it looks something like that. Now, if it says there's a system of equations, so there's another line here, a linear equation, the system has no solutions. Think about if I had this ruler, any angle that I put this at, eventually it's going to cross this line, right? Like even if it's like that, it's going to cross down here somewhere. Except there's only two situations where it won't have a single solution. One is if it's parallel and it's separate, in which case it has no solutions, or when it's parallel, it has the same slope, and it's like on top of each other. They are the same line. In that case, it has infinite solutions. So those are your only two really options, is it's no solutions or infinite solutions if lines have the same slope. Any other situation, they're going to intersect once. They are. Only if they have the same slope will you have those two options. In this case, it is no solutions. So I know it is a line that is parallel and it is somewhere. It could be there, it could be there, it could be many places, but it's parallel. It's not touching it. It's not on top of it. It has no solution. So again, as I said before, same slope. That's the key. So we're going to look at these and see which of them has the same slope as the top one. And I mentioned in passing, if you caught this or not, that little 6 there by the x, that is our slope, because this is in y equals mx plus b format, where the b, that number by itself, is the y-intercept, and the number by the x is our slope, the m. So our slope is 6. So we want to look at all of these and see which of these has a slope of 6. So let's look at our first one, negative 6 plus y equals 18. To get the y by itself to be in this slope-intercept format, we want to get rid of that 6x. We want to move it to the right, so we're going to add 6x to both sides. So I'm going to have that y left by itself on the right, and then, on the left, and on the right we have 6x plus 18. And this is where you need to be careful, because if you're doing this quickly and you look and you go, hey, 6, slope of 6, done. A is my answer. Is it though? No, it's not, because look, 6x plus 18, it's the same line. This line is right on top of the other line. It would have infinite solutions. All the solutions there are going to be in there. This one, no solution. So A is not my answer. It's close, but it is not my answer. Marking that one out. All right, our second one, negative 6x plus y equals 22. Same sort of thing. I'm going to get rid of the x on the left by adding 6x to both sides, and I get y equals 6x plus 22. And there we go. That's what we're looking for. It's in that y equals mx plus b format, so I know my 6 is my slope, my m. That's what I want. I want the same slope, and it has a different y-intercept, so it is not right on top of it. It is parallel to it. There's no solution. B is my answer. If you went through and did C and D, for those you're going to get a slope of 12 for both of those when you go through this process. And again, that's not what we're looking for. It has to be the same slope. That's the only option. Has to be the same slope. B is my answer. Hey guys, if you want to help me keep making these videos, please check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Links are down below, where you can find fun things like this slightly sarcastic coffee mug or this slightly arrogant sweatshirt. And if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.